वेलकम टू जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास। जेनिथ कोचिंग क्लास में आप लोग का स्वागत है। टुडे इट इज द क्लास फॉर क्लास 7. Okay, this is the chapter perimeter and area. It's the continuing part. Yesterday I taught you the area of rectangle and square, and today I will teach you the area and perimeter of triangle. Okay, then I'll teach you the perimeter and not perimeter, circumference of area circle also. Okay, so let's start the class. In the case of a triangle, then let's think it's a triangle. Okay, and it is altitude. That is, altitude means here it is 90 degree. Always remember, when the from the vertex and it will meet the other base, opposite base, it is making, that is 90 degree. So it is altitude. Okay, now this is base and this is altitude. What is the area of the triangle? So area of the triangle is equals to half of base multiplied by height. Okay, we abbreviate it half BH. So area of triangle equals to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So, and in case of if I ask you to take out the height or base, then it is the same formula. We will just derive this. Okay, so let's start the sums. This is the first sum for you. That is, base is 7.2 meter and height is 8 decimeter. So listen children, here is base is 7.2 meter and height is decimeter. So meter and decimeter, you have to take it the same unit. Okay, otherwise the sum will be wrong. Okay, so base is 7.2 meter. First sum. So base equals to 7.2 meter, h equals to 8 decimeter. Okay, that is 8 by 10 meter equals to 0.8 meter. Now the unit is same. Here is meter, here is also meter. So you can easily now solve the problem. So area is equals to, I am writing just A, but you will not write. You will write area of triangle. Okay. So area of triangle equals to half multiplied by 7.2 multiplied by 0.8 meter. Okay. So cut, that is 3.6. So 3.6 multiplied by 0.8. 8 6 are 48. 4 in hand. 8 6 are 24. 24, 28. So here is point, that is just decimal before one digit, and here is one digit. So decimal before two digits. 1 2. That is 2.88 meter square. Don't forget to put the unit here, otherwise marks will be deducted. So this is the first sum. Second sum is also the same, because but here is meter and here is millimeter. So you can easily derive this. So what I have to tell today? Please like my video and share to your friends and subscribe my channel and please comment me through your comment box. So मुझे भी पता चले आप लोग को क्या सीखना चाहिए, आप लोग को क्या प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है. अगर कमेंट नहीं कीजिएगा तो मुझे कैसे पता कि आप लोग को कौन से प्रॉब्लम है. ओके, सो प्लीज कमेंट मी थ्रू योर कमेंट बॉक्स. Sixth sum, that is base. Base equals to 10.5 meter. So base. Now height equals to 8 millimeter. So millimeter to meter. To convert millimeter to meter, what to do? That is meter, decimeter, centimeter, millimeter. So you have to divide it by 1000. 8 by 1000. To convert in meter, that is 0.008 meter. Okay. You can give it this thing also. So area equals to half multiplied by 10.5 multiplied by 8 by 1000. You think 8 by 1000 meter square. Okay. So here is 2, here is 4. Okay. Now, so 10.5 multiplied by 4. So 10.5 multiplied by 4, that is 4 5s are 20, 0. 2 in hand. So 4 to 0 0 2. 4 1s are 4. by 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is 1 point, so here is 1 point. Okay, so cut. 42 by 1000, that is 0.042 meters square. Okay, so here is 10.5. So here is point is, that is decimal is before 0. So cut 0, then 42 by 1000, that is 0.42 meters square. Okay. Now if I ask to find out the height, okay, let's see what to do. Here I asked you to take out area. Now I am telling you to take out height. Find out height. So you have to find out height. So let's think area is equals to, area of a triangle equals to 500 meters square. Okay, base is equals to 25 meter. So height is equals to what? What to do? Is the formula is the same. That is, you have to write. So what do you know? That is area equals to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So area equals to 500. So put it here 500. 500 equals to half multiplied by base is 25. 25 multiplied by height. Okay. But you have to find out height. So keep height in the right side and take it in the left side. So height equals to 500. 2 is here at the division, that is multiplied, just reciprocal. And 25 is multiplied, here is divided. Okay. So 25, 20. So height equals to 20 multiplied by 2 equals to 40 meter. Understood? If I ask you to take out height, this is the same formula. You will just put the value here. Okay. And if I tell about base, if I ask about base, what to do? Let's think another sum. चलो हम लोग और दूसरा सम सॉल्व करते हैं. जो आप लोग को बेस निकालना चाहिए. कैसे निकलते हैं? That is the same formula. Only one formula you have to use. Okay. Easy sum. Yes, very easy sums. No? That is, you have to take out base, children. Okay. So think area equals to 625 meters square. Okay. Height equals to 25 meter. So you have to take out base. The same formula, area equals to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. So put 625 here in the place of area. 625 equals to half multiplied by base, that is height equals to 25. So what you do? Here is 2, it will be the multiplied. And here is multiplied by 25, so it will come as divided. Okay, so base equals to 625 multiplied by 2 divided by 25. Okay, so 25 was the 25, 25, sir, 625. So 25 multiplied by 2, that is base equals to 50 meter. Understood? Only one formula you have to learn for the triangle. Okay. So here all the triangles are, that is base and height, you know. And there is another formula for equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle and scalene triangle. I am not teaching it here. I will teach you another class. Okay. So if you think that is to find out simply base or height or area, so you have to find out this formula. Okay, let's think another sum. Diwali is knocking at the door. No, after 15 days is Diwali. Okay, Diwali is the festival of light. So you children, you will wear new dresses and you will enjoy crackers. So please don't wear synthetic dresses, any polyester dresses or synthetic dresses. So you can face an accident. So please avoid of it. Don't wear synthetic dresses. Always wear cotton dresses. Okay. So let's sing another song. That is here is a triangle. Let's sing. Here is a triangle, and it is the altitude. Okay. Let's think base equals to 15 meter. Height equals to 36 meter. Now I'm telling you that is cost of plowing the field. Okay, this is a triangular field. You think that is cost of plowing the field, rupees 25 per meter square. Okay, so find out the total cost. Find the total cost of plowing. Okay, it's a random sum I'm teaching. Okay, so let's think base equals to 15 meter, height equals to 36 meter. Cost of plowing, I didn't ask for area, but you have to find out the area. Now that is the cost of plowing the field rupees 25 per square meter. एक स्क्वायर मीटर प्लाविंग करने के लिए आपको 25 रुपीज चाहिए. तो पूरा फील्ड प्लाव करने के लिए कितना कॉस्ट होता है? तो पूरा फील्ड प्लाव करने के लिए कितना कॉस्ट होता है, ये आकर मैं पूछती हूँ. तो आप लोग को तो एरिया निकलना ही चाहिए, तब ना कॉस्ट निकालोगे. ओके, सो you will write base equals to 15 meter. I am not writing. I am starting from direct area. But you will write base equals to 15 meter, height equals to 36 meter. So area equals to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. That is meter square. So 18. So area equals to 15 is a 120. 120 0. 12 in hand. 15 means 15. So 270 meters square. This is the area. Okay. Now you write cost of plowing 1 meter square. I am not write the total full sentence. Cost of plowing 1 meter square equals to rupees. Kitna? Rupees 25. Okay. So total cost, that is you have to find out the total cost of 270 meter square. Therefore, cost of plowing 270 meter square equals to rupees 270 multiplied by 25. How many rupees? You have to multiply. 25 0 0, 25 7 175, 175 5, 17 in hand. 25 2s are 50, 50 and 17 67. So you have to spend rupees 6,750 to plow the whole field. Okay, let's observe the sum. I'll go to the next sum. Children, come to the next sum. The base and height of a triangle are in the ratio of 8:5 and its area is 320 centimeters square. Find the base and height of the triangle. So, you think there is no base and no height? No. There is a hint. That is base and height. Ratio of base and height. So, there is a triangle. Okay. And base is to height equals to 8:5. So, base is to height equals to 8:5. So, let's think the base equals to 8x and height is 5x. Okay. So, let's think. Then the sum will be easy. So, let's think let base is to height, not height is to base. Okay. So, base is to height. That is base 8 and height 5. Let base be 8x and height be 5x. Okay. And area, it is 320 centimeters square. Okay, so according to the problem, half multiplied by base, that is 8x, multiplied by height equals to 320, because half into base into height equals to area. So area is 320. So half into 8x into 5x equals to 320. So cut 2 and 8, that is 4. So 4x multiplied by 5x. So 4 5 is 20. 20x square equals to 320. So x square equals to 320 divided by 20. Okay. So cut 0. So x square equals to 16. Okay. I'm writing here because there is no space. No. The sum is easy. Yes, easy. So please like my video and share to your friends. And comment me through your comment box and subscribe my channel. I have to tell you, so I am telling you repeatedly. You have to concentrate in the sum. Okay, so x square equals to 16. Now come here. So x equals to root over 16. That is x equals to root over 4 multiplied by 4. That is x equals to 4. But I didn't ask you for x to find out x. What I asked? I asked for base and height. Okay, so you have to find out base and height. So you know base equals to 8x. So base equals to 8x equals to 8 multiplied by 4 equals to 32 meter. Okay, and here is height equals to 5x equals to 5 multiplied by 4 equals to 20 meter. I asked this. Okay, so you just easily found out what's the base and what's the height of the triangle. So please observe the sum. I'll go to the next sum. Children, come to the next sum. There's here two sums. Both are that is diagrams, and don't think these are so tough sums. First of all, that is question number 7. Here is a triangle. Here is a triangle ABC, and AB equals to 5 centimeter, AC equals to 12 centimeter, and BC equals to 13 centimeter. You have to find out the area, and you have to find out that is AD. Okay, that is area is equals to, so that is here is also it is 90 degree. So now forget about AD, erase it. First concentrate in the area. So how can you find out the area? So think that is here is 90 degree. So I told you that is the height is at the base, where is that attach is, that is it is formed, that is 90 degree. So I think it is base and it is height here. So let's think AB is the base and AC is the height. So base equals to AB equals to 5 centimeter, and height equals to AC equals to 12 centimeter. So you can easily find out the area of ABC, triangle ABC. Therefore area, you will not write A, you will write the full sentence, that is area of triangle ABC equals to half into base. I'm not writing here. You have to write first formula, you have to write, that is half into base into height. Then you will put the magnitude, that is value. So half into base, that is base into height, centimeter square. So it is 6. That is area equals to 30 centimeter square. Okay. Now think, forget this. Now you have to think about AD. It's also 90 degrees. So now its altitude. There is, it was base and it was altitude. You find out that is area. Now you got the area. Now it is the base, that is 13 centimeter. It is the altitude, you don't know. So you have to find out the length of AD. So okay, now in the second part, base equals to B BC. Base equals to BC equals to 13 centimeter. Okay, height you don't know. Area equals to 30 centimeter square. Then height equals to AD equals to okay, I'll write here. No, this space is less. So I'm erasing it. Now it's no need of this. That is, so area equals to 30 centimeter square and base equals to BC equals to 13 centimeter. So now you have to find out the height of AD. So area equals to 30 is equals to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Okay, altitude means height. So height equals to, put it here, height equals to 30 multiplied by 2 by 13. That is height equals to 60 by 13 centimeter. So AD equals to 60 by 13 centimeter. You can take it decimal also. I am not taking, please calculate. Okay. So height equals to AD equals to 60 by 13 centimeter. Understood the sum? So chale, next sum. So here is another triangle. Triangle ABC. It was a scalene triangle. 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter, 13 centimeters. All the sides were unequal. But here is an isosceles triangle. That is AB equals to 7.5 centimeter, AC equals to 7.5 centimeter, and base BC non-equal side, that is 9 centimeter. So forget about CE. Forget about CE. Just concentrate in AD. So AD is here 6 centimeter. So find out the area first, because it is base and it is height. Here is 90 degree. So it is base and it is height or altitude. So find out area. So base equals to BC. Base equals to BC equals to 9 centimeter. Height equals to AD equals to 6 centimeter. So area equals to half into base into height. Again and again I am telling you that you have to write the formula first, then you will write the value. Okay, I am not writing here. I am so lazy. No, but you should not be lazy, because you have to obtain the marks, not to me. Okay. So area equals to half multiplied by base multiplied by height, centimeter square. Okay, 2, 3. That is 27 centimeter square. This is the area. Now you find out the area. Now you have to find out the, okay, forget about AD. छोड़ दीजिए इसे. You have to find out now CE. It is another altitude. So AD का कम ओवर, तो उसको मैं चले जाने दिया. जाओ तुम जाओ, आपको अब नहीं चाहिए. Okay, now C is the altitude here. Here is 90 degrees. So base is here 7.5. So in case of C, so base equals to AB equals to 7.5 centimeter. Okay, you know the area. Area equals to 27 centimeter square. Just found out. That is, now you have to find out CE. That is height. Height equals to CE equals to what? Okay, so you have to take out. Now class is boring or good? You cannot answer me. Okay, so I think it's not so boring. So height equals to CE, you have to find out. So according to the problem, area is equals to, that is 27 is equals to half multiplied by base multiplied by height. Okay, so 27 multiplied by 2 by 7.5 equals to height. Keep it here in the right hand side and put it here. Okay, so now height equals to, that is, put the decimal, omit the decimal here and write 10 here. Okay, so 75, that is 3 9 is 27, 325. So 10, 10 2, 10 5. That is 9 4 the 36 by 5. So 36 by 5. That is height equals to, if we divide 36 by 5, that is you will get 7.2 centimeter. So it is 7.2 centimeter. So I asked you the find out the length of CE. Therefore, length of CE equals to 7.2 centimeter. Understood the sum? It is the concluding sum for today. Next class, I will teach you the perimeter, that is the area of parallelogram and area of that is circle. Okay, so आज के लिए यही काफी है. 8 सम्स हो चुका है. शायद आप लोग को बोर लग रहा है. आप तो बोल नहीं सकते, लेकिन क्या करें. So please like my video and share to your friends and subscribe my channel and please comment me. Repeatedly I am telling you, please comment me through your comment box. So मैं आप लोगों को different सम सिखा सकती हूँ. आप लोगों को क्या प्रॉब्लम होते हैं ये मुझे जानने के लिए जरूर मुझे कमेंट कीजिए. सो आज के लिए बाय बाय. चलती हूँ मैं. जॉइन इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास. तब तक के लिए गुड नाइट.